How to muted TikTok audio. Hi guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to mute TikTok audio. So first thing you're gonna do is go to your TikTok application. Now you see the plus button up there, tap on there. Now you can see that the camera is directly open. So what I'm gonna do is record a video with my voice now. Now I don't wanna keep recording, so I'm gonna tap on yes. Now I'm gonna tap on sound, and you can see I'm gonna choose a music like this, and I'm gonna choose original sound too, and tap on volume. You can see this is my original sound when I was talking, and this is the sound of music. If I wanna put my sound mute and music like mute too, you can choose what you want and tap next, and you can upload your video. This is it. This is our video. I hope you like it. Don't forget the like and the subscribe.